In this video, I'm going to share my review of the all-inclusive Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN. My name is Marilee Blair, and I've been to 56 countries. So my goal is to bring you those peak experiences, exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN. The Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN is a vibrant, all-inclusive resort located in Cancun's Hotel Zone. This iconic destination combines Hard Rock's signature rock and roll vibe with luxurious amenities, making it a favorite for couples, families, and groups looking for a fun and energetic vacation. I stayed here for work, multiple 6-day, 5-night trips between 2016 to 2018. And I always stayed in the deluxe ocean view or deluxe lagoon view room, which is amazing since they're both the standard rooms and you get a really great deal on it since they have a jacuzzi in the room that you get to enjoy and a balcony view with either room choice. And if you need a bigger room, you can always upgrade and choose more expensive and bigger rooms to accommodate you and whoever is joining you on this trip. Now, here are 8 reasons why you should enjoy the Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN. Number 1, location. Prime beachfront setting. The hotel sits along Cancun's famous white sand beaches and turquoise waters, offering stunning ocean views, and has convenient access. Because it's located in the heart of the hotel zone, it's close to shopping, nightlife, and local attractions, including famous sites like Tulum, Chichen Itza, and the Mayan ruins. Number 2, rock and roll themed accommodations. Rooms and suites are designed with modern luxury and rock and roll themed decor. Some of the signature amenities include, again, the private balconies with ocean or lagoon views, those hydro spa tub jacuzzis that are in every room, the rock royalty level rooms with VIP services like private check-in and personal assistance, and in-room music experiences with the Sound of Your Stay program, including guitar rentals and curated playlists. Number 3, all-inclusive dining and drinks. The all-inclusive experience covers gourmet meals, premium drinks, entertainment, and activities, eliminating hidden costs. High-quality service ensures every guest feels like a VIP. So there are multiple restaurants serving international cuisine like Zen, which is teppanyaki and sushi, Chow, which has Italian specialties, Ipanema, which has Brazilian-style steakhouse, and the Market for your international buffet. Plus, you get unlimited beverages, including premium spirits that are available at several bars and lounges, and of course, 24-hour room service ensures that you can indulge anytime in the privacy of your room or your tub and balcony. Number 4, entertainment and activities. There's live music and events, concerts, DJ performances, and theme parties that make it a lively atmosphere. Pools. There's a sprawling infinity pool with a swim-up bar and poolside entertainment. It's so beautiful and overlooks the gorgeous white sand beach. Also, there's the rock spa, so you can get signature treatments with music-inspired techniques and a hydrotherapy circuit. You can also utilize Music Lab. Guests can form their own band, learn to DJ, or make music videos. There's activities for all ages, including yoga, water sports, and nightly shows. Number 5, family-friendly features. Hard Rock City Kids Club is there, which has engaging activities, games, and entertainment for kids. There's also dedicated family suites with extra space and kid-friendly amenities, and babysitting services for parents seeking a date night. Number 6, wedding and events. This is a great place to get married. They have customizable wedding packages designed by celebrity event planner Colin Cowie. Their oceanfront venues and expert staff make it a popular destination for weddings, honeymoons, and celebrations. Number 7, relaxation and wellness. The Rock Spa provides signature treatments such as music-inspired massages and hydrotherapy for ultimate relaxation. Yoga sessions and the fitness center helps balance wellness with indulgence. And number 8, Rockstar Treatment. Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN's personalized service and attention to detail create a celebrity-level rockstar treatment experience for every guest. Signature touches like curated music experiences and energetic staff make your stay unique and memorable. And if you need to book any excursions, you can do that with the hotel. So I give Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN 5 stars for all it had, because I love the standard amazing rooms with the private jacuzzis inside and the balcony views, their resort in general, the variety of all-inclusive dining options with a touch of rock and roll glamour, the gorgeous beach and incredibly large, amazing infinity pool, all the various activities, entertainment shows, and the quality of the rooms. So whether you're planning a family getaway, romantic retreat, or celebration with friends, Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN delivers a high-energy, all-inclusive experience with a touch of rock and roll glamour. I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the amazing Hard Rock Hotel CANCUN. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my Vedanta, Grand Lux Nuevo Vallarta, and Planet Hollywood Cancun YouTube videos that people enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels, and see you next week.